Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos from simple tortilla wraps. Start with your favorite large tortilla wraps. You'll want to cut each one into 8 triangular pieces, just like you'd slice a pizza. Spread these out on a baking sheet, making sure they don't overlap too much. A light brush of olive oil and a sprinkle of salt will help them crisp up beautifully in the oven. This simple preparation is key to creating perfect, crunchy nacho chips right from your wraps. Now, let's get those tortilla wedges nice and crispy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Bake them for about 8 minutes on one side. Then, carefully flip each piece over and return them to the oven for another 5 to 7 minutes. You're aiming for a lovely golden brown color and a satisfying crunch, transforming them into perfect nacho chips. With your homemade chips ready, it's time for the fun part, layering. Start by arranging about half of your crispy tortilla chips on an oven-safe plate or baking dish. Next, add your favorite savory toppings. Think seasoned ground beef, black beans, or even shredded chicken. Don't forget a generous layer of shredded cheese, like a sharp cheddar or a melty Monterey Jack, to bind everything together. To complete your delicious nachos, add the rest of your chips, followed by more of your chosen toppings and another generous sprinkle of cheese. Pop them back into the oven for about 5 minutes, or until the cheese is perfectly melted and bubbly. Once out of the oven, garnish with fresh salsa, a dollop of cool sour cream, and some zesty sliced jalapenos for that extra kick. Enjoy your homemade nacho creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.